Hi, I'm Jake Sawyer, and this is my next-gen iPhone design process. So some of the problems I identified with the iPhone were the phone size, as it could easily fall out of your pocket. It's hard to hold big phones. It's like when you have a phone and a wallet, it's annoying to carry both as you have to use both your pockets. And every time you get a new phone, you have to buy a new phone case. And also the no touch ID, as it's hard to use Face ID in the dark, hard to use with the mask on, and some people just prefer the Touch ID to use instead of the Face ID. So for my brainstorm, I decided on what the different things. So first, you can reduce the phone size, and you could reduce the phone size from 6 to 7 inches, which is like the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, to 4.5 to 5.5 inches, which is like the iPhone SE and the iPhone 13 mini. You can add a phone case, which will give you a credit card holder as well as extra protection. Then as well, you can add Touch ID and you can add that onto the power button. So when you open your phone and turn on the power button, it just automatically unlocks your phone. And then this would be the iPhone design. So first it has a 5-inch display, so it's not too big. It's around the same size as iPhone SEs. It has a built-in Touch ID onto the power button, a built-in credit card holder, and an extra silicone layer around the case for if you drop it. Thank you.